This is a Bosch spray gun. It's the PFS2000. It's a 220 volt 440 watt electric spray gun that operates via a blower and not a compressor. This gun is ideal for wood, outdoor fences, garden furniture, small walls and small projects. It has an adjustable paint nozzle to spray vertically, horizontally or a circular spray. You can adjust the paint quantity via the adjustable knob on the side. It comes with two 800 milliliter paint containers and it uses a hose length of 1.25 meters from the blower through to the gun. This unit makes it extremely portable and lightweight and easy to carry and maneuver as the unit only weighs 2 kilograms. The spray gun has a paint application of 1.5 square meters per minute and a delivery volume of up to 200 milliliters per minute. The spray gun comes with two nozzles, one to suit lacquer and glazes and the other to suit wall paints. The reason being is to accommodate different viscosities with this lower pressure gun. Spray guns apply paint quicker and get into all those hard to reach places, making it also suitable for rough textures. At the end of the day, this spray gun makes your painting activity effortless, more productive and saves you time and money for the job at hand. If you enjoyed this clip and found it useful, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.